Hey, Thor. That's all right. Well, we'll do you first, Monkey. Okay. So earlier today, Thor let me dry him for the first time. So I'm hoping to show you that again. Hey. All right. You good? Off you go. It's Thor's turn now. Hey, mate. You ready to get dry? Can you see? Oh, it's not angled properly. Come over here, buddy. He's not going to move. Okay, here we go. Hey, Thor. You're not performing for the camera, Thor. Hey. Wait, let me try one more time. Hey. Okay. One more time. Hey. Good, mate. Good boy, Thor. Hey. Oh, excellent. Thanks, Bruno. Hey, can we get that snout? Hey, it's very wet. Hey, I think you've been diving in the snow again. Hey, good job, mate. Good job, Thor. Hey, are you dry? You're dry now, mate? Good job, Thor. Yeah. There you go.